Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the distorted Kyle skin. First, you need to launch the game called Piggy, but it's 100 players. Once inside, look for a specific white button or portal that will transport you directly into the Piggy Backrooms collaboration map. This journey involves several steps and puzzles, so be ready for an exciting adventure. Your next task is to gather 3 crucial keys. First, search for a black key, typically found near a radiator in one of the initial areas. Then, proceed to the auditorium where you will discover a white key. Finally, navigate to a secret puzzle room to secure the green key, which is vital for advancing. With the keys collected, it's time to tackle the codes. You'll encounter a light puzzle. Solving it will reveal a numerical sequence for a keypad. Carefully input these numbers. Afterward, you must find several paintings, each glowing a different color. Arrange these colors in the correct order on another keypad to unlock the next stage. You are almost there. After successfully entering all the codes, you will reach the final room with one last challenge. Once this is completed, the final step to acquire the skin is to let the Piggy character eliminate you. Upon your elimination, you will be awarded the distortion badge and the unique distorted Kyle skin.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.